But I tell you, stay indoors, ladies and gentlemen. Stay cool. Get fans, whatever. And the poor, they need emergency fans and ice to cool down because a number of people dead. I have not been one who believed in this global warming, but I tell you, they're making a convert out of me as these blistering summers. They've broken heat records in a number of cities already this year, broken records, all-time records. And it is getting hotter, and the ice caps are melting, and there is a buildup of carbon dioxide in the air, and I think we really need to address the burning of fossil fuels. If we are contributing to the destruction of this planet, we need to do something about it.
Consider this, if you will. We are not experts or authorities on the subject of global warming, but here's what we do know, beyond a reasonable doubt. Our planet and our atmosphere are finite. They are not growing bigger. Take this nearly empty garbage receptacle, for instance. What happens when it fills up entirely? Like this. And more commonly, this. Humans are constantly making trash and consuming things and discarding it. And there's only so much room in the bin. Our planet's atmosphere is finite, consisting of layers, the troposphere, the stratosphere, and the mesosphere, as well as the ionosphere, and the very last boundary layer, the exosphere, just before reaching space. The world's population has been rather explosive, starting off very low and in 1750 reaching about 1 billion people. Now, in 2010, we're nearing the 7 billion mark. And with more people, there's more garbage. Where do we put all this garbage? We can dig holes and fill them up with garbage. And that's what we've been doing. Giant holes of garbage. Perhaps you'd like one in your backyard. You can also build to top it, like erecting a playset for your children. Humans are making a lot of pollution, and the system works in a certain way, recycling our filth, our pollution, and putting it through an atmospheric recycling system. Of course, what goes around comes around, so the pollutants are returned in our drinking water and elsewhere in the air we breathe. The air pollution contributes to the greenhouse effect, trapping more heat and heating the planet more rapidly. And we build more automobiles. That certainly pollute a lot. And then we discard them as garbage as well, taking up more space. Our Earth is a closed system with a very established boundary. The exosphere seals all our pollution in. Science and technology has proven that the Earth has an atmosphere and a boundary. We know that 100% for certain. And all of our pollution is sealed in, beneath the exosphere. What exactly are we going to do with all this garbage we keep creating? It's a very big question. Perhaps we should burn it. Burning it sounds like a fair solution. No, probably not such a good idea. Perhaps we should just launch it into space. We've done that before. In fact, we've done that before repeatedly, building up a gigantic collection of space garbage. Yes, human beings do certainly create a lot of garbage. It's one of the few things that separates us from the animal kingdom. Beavers don't often use can openers, and it's rare when a beaver buys something from Walmart, especially in one of the larger bulk containers. Animals don't create filth, waste, and pollution, and very few smoke. Otters are generally known as a rather harmless species and rarely contribute to water pollution. Certainly, man does his fair share of that as well, which is a closed environment as well. There's a limited amount of water on our planet, fresh water as well as salt water. So we've established 1. The Earth and its environment is a closed system with limited space. 2. The more people there are on Earth, the more pollution is created. 3. The Earth's atmospheric filtration system returns what it receives. 4. We've also put our trash into space. 5. We dig big holes and bury our trash. 6. Animals do not create garbage. And few smoke. 7. We have a limited amount of water. So, we have a limited space, closed system with a growing amount of humans creating more pollution every second. That we know. 100%. And while you're thinking about all the alternatives and whether man is creating enough waste to fill up the environment, let us park this baby in your living room while you sit and watch TV and eat your popcorn. Let's just see how much your closed environment can take of this little bit of human waste.